Ramadan. Ramadan, Ramadan, Ramadan. I love the way she said that. Yes. I am loving this, you guys. Yes, you guys. So please don't forget to let me know what Ramadan means to you. Some people have said it means to, repent and to, go back into Allah's care and arms, cleaning, cleansing yourself. And so I would love to hear what this means to you. I love how she's singing this song. She sounds so beautiful. Of course, covered. I love that as well. Vebiola is such a great artist. Who better than to sing the song than Vebiola? And yes, you guys, like I said, I just want to know what this song simply means to you. Ramadan. What does this represent to you? If you celebrate it, or if you're just tuning in to listening to it, because Vebiola has such a beautiful voice, and or you might know people that celebrate Ramadan as well. That's it's a part of them as well. So even if you know people that do celebrate it, or it's a part of them, what do they say that it means to them? Like, you can leave that also in the comments too as well. What do people say that it means to them? Friends, family members, different people. Or if you specifically engage in it, let me know what it means to you as well. This is interesting to me. I love it. Like I said, from what I know, people don't eat for a certain amount of time, and they go to praise Allah, so that's what I know of it. All right, but if there's any more specifics, leave them down in the comment section. Did such a fabulous job. Go Vanny, go Vanny, go Vanny.